Hi guys, so I'm getting my boots on. I'm ready to go and go with Daisy Moo. Okay, welcome everybody. So I am going out to show you Daisy Moo, barrel racing heifer. Say that fast 10 times. Oh, so Daisy Moo, our barrel racing heifer, loves to run. She likes to run around the barrels. She likes to jump over the little ditch I made for her, and she loves to race. She made her own racetrack. So, oh, and here's Arnold, the community pig. Hi, community pig Arnold. How are you? And this is John Henry, Sir John Henry. Yes, and the chickens. Okay, and there is Daisy Moo, star of barrel racing, the best barrel racing heifer ever, Daisy Moo. She's my Daisy Moo. She's my Daisy Moo. And she loves you. She loves you too. She's little Daisy Moo. Daisy Moo. Daisy Moo. Anyway, so look at that big belly. Oh, you're so warm. That's my favorite bandana. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? Yes, it's sunny. It's warm. Yes, a beautiful day. I love you too. Yes, I love you too. I love you too, Daisy Moo. But we're trying to shoot a video that we're not having kissy now, are we? No. Okay. So, yes. Okay, suck on my thumb. Suck on my thumb, baby. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. Suck on my thumb. Yes, I love you too. Don't worry, guys. She had food twice today already. It's just she misses her mama. Yes. Yes, okay. Come, baby girl. Come on. Let's go. So, husband building tiny house was going to make video on tiny house build today, module 2. But animals keep distracting me today. Right, Daisy Moo? You're being a little bit distracted. Yes, you are. I love you too, baby. I love you too. No, not right here. Okay, we talked about this. So, anyway, as I was saying, yes, not my brain. It's a little bit distractive making videos today. Yes. But I love you, Daisy. Yes. Okay, so Take two. Husband making tiny house build. Husband is high on top. Husband very brave. Very brave. I should probably be up there to help like this because you're making this hard for me anyway, aren't you? She just loves to flip this chair over. She's never tried it with me before though. What? You want to flip it over? Do you want to flip the chair over? Really? Are you being a little rebellious in me today? Oh yeah, not my bread. I told you about my bread. If you take my bread, I'll take your bread. I'm not kidding. I'll take your bread. Okay, anyway. Yes, tiny house build, take 3. Or maybe I'll just do a video with Daisy Moo instead. What do you think, Daisy Moo? Do you want to make a video? Yes? Okay, let's make a video, Daisy. Oh, yes. Yes, I love you too. Oh. So barrel racing cow is also being trained to have small things on her, like to have small kids ride on her, right? So we're socializing her. She has blankets on. I'm gonna make her a little thing to wear. She's such a good little girl. She's my Daisy Moo. She's my Daisy Moo. She's my Daisy Moo. Yeah. Good girl, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come on, baby. Yes, you want us to be together because we're a pack. Yes, I understand. And Daisy Moo. Baby. Oh no, I love you too, baby. I love you, baby. Da, 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 da. It's not just a maybe. I love you, Daisy Moo. You're so adorable. Da, 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 da. Oh, you will get a kiss and hug. She's a cutie pie. Oh, we got visitors. You got visitors. Hi, babies. Oh, what are you doing? Putting my hand in your mouth, baby. What? And hi, Bam Bam. What are you doing here? Oh my gosh, we're having a love reunion, aren't we? All the puppies in one place. Yes, we are. Hi, babies. Hi, John Henry. Hi, Daisy Moo. Hi, Delilah. Hi, everybody. Hi, Bam Bam. Hi, Bam Bam. Who's a good boy?
How's our good boy doing? You're such a good boy. Thank you for guarding us last night. Thank you for guarding us last night, Bam Bam. Oh, you're a good boy. He's such a good boy. I know. I love you too. He's so pretty. He's so pretty. Hi guys, are you jealous? Are you jealous? Hi Bam Bam. No. Oh, there's just so many souls. So much loving needed to be done. Oh, yes. So we need help here. We need people to come and do this. It's not ours, it's God's vision. So, you know, and then if you feel called to come and live like the first people going into this time, we welcome you. I mean, it's not a lot going on here. You know, just back to nature. Yes. And back to you, right? Back to you too.
Should we walk her? Can we get a kiss? Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, you did it. You're so good. Get a little tummy wrap. I'm going to watch the tummy, but you want to the tummy too.